Y'all asked for an update to the SoundSwitch Shortcut Christmas special, so it is here, and we're gonna go over it in this video today. Hey everybody, how's it going? Daryl here, welcome to the channel. The SoundSwitch Shortcut Christmas special, y'all have been asking for an update, so it is here.
What is it?
The SoundSwitch Shortcut is a preset pack full of auto loops and static scenes designed to give you effective lighting without spending too much time designing and programming a light show. It's the easy button, and the Christmas special focuses on winter and holiday themed color schemes.
Where can you get it?
I'll have links in the description below. Thanks, Aaron. So Aaron's going to join me here today. He's going to be the poster guy. He's going to be laying down some sweet Christmas tunes while I show you the shortcut in action.
The original SoundSwitch Shortcut Christmas special only had 21 auto loops, but I decided that I would give you guys a lot more. So this one features 103 different auto loops and a whole bunch of new static scenes. And we've added a lot of lighting fixtures to the shortcut this past year. So you get all of those. You get the spider washes, you get the BPM splash X's. And each of these different auto loops, they feature different color schemes. So you get 4 banks of auto loops. And these first 2 feature lots of reds, greens, and whites as their color scheme, as well as different pixel patterns with various energy and patterns. And then I have an entire bank full of winter themed auto loops, so lots of bluish, purplish hues. If you have like a winter dance or a winter formal, you can definitely use that. Because I know a lot of people have like winter themed events long after Christmas, so this entire bank would be perfect for that. And just note that when you're performing in SoundSwitch, you can just long press a bank and it will only play auto loops from that bank. And then there's a lot of auto loops you'll recognize from the normal shortcut. I just put them here in other instead of just deleting them, just giving you more options. So you can use some of these favorite auto loops of yours. I think throughout a holiday dance set that it adds some nice variety to have like all the colors sprinkled in there during your dance set. So I'm leaving all of the static scenes that you guys love in this shortcut. So you have your formal static scenes like antique white, cool white, pink white, pastel purple, orange. But then you also get like your white and blue. And then you have all of these performance ones, which I like to hit while I'm performing. So strobe everything white, strobe just the uplights, the tubes, just the movers, just the dance floor washes. And just like you have this white blinder effect that makes all your lights turn white, I have like targeted groups. So your uplights, your tubes, your movers, your washes, and one that just targets the different tubes. But you'll notice a lot more static scenes on this side. It's like peppermint themed, red and green, candy cane, a couple of winter themed ones, and of course white and green. So this is definitely designed with holiday parties in mind, as well as winter themed events. You're basically getting the fully fledged shortcut. I'm not artificially nerfing it to sell it at a lower price. I just figured let's just offer the full thing.
I had a lot of fun making this holiday themed SoundSwitch shortcut. So I hope it helps y'all out there to crush your holiday parties.